Good morning, children. I hope you all will be fine at your home. Today we are going to continue the second chapter in ICT, that is types of software. In the previous session we came to know about system software. Today we will know about application software. These are set of programs developed by programmers in order to perform specific types of jobs. That means some specific jobs are being fulfilled by the software. किसी specific purpose, specific job को fulfill करने के लिए application softwares are being used, like beautifying the documents, doing calculations, arranging data in an organized manner, making airline or railway reservation system, etc. Now these application softwares are being categorized under two categories. Number one, general purpose application software. Number two, special purpose application software. The first one, general purpose application software. These software can perform many tasks to fulfill the general needs of the users. That means जो जनरल नीड्स होती हैं यूजर्स की उनको फुलफिल करने के लिए वी यूज जनरल पर्पस एप्लीकेशन software. Now, the example of general purpose application softwares are: the first one, word processing software. A word processor helps us to create professional looking documents quickly and efficiently. That means if you want to create some professional looking documents in a short time and in an efficient manner, we will use word processing software. We can also change the appearance of a text in a desired manner. Children, when you were using MS Word in the computer lab in your school, you were changing the appearance of your text by making it bold or putting a line under it, that means underlining it. You were also changing the size or the type of the text. Now the examples of word processing software are Microsoft Word, WordPad, OpenOffice.org, Writer, etc. We already have used Microsoft Word and WordPad. The next one is electronic spreadsheet. It helps to perform calculations and display the data in the form of a chart to analyze it in a better way. That means if you want to analyze your data in the better way, you will use electronic spreadsheet software. It is used to manage and organize numerical data. Numerical, all of you understand, related to some numbers. VisiCalc was the first computer spreadsheet program. So, the first computer spreadsheet program was VisiCalc. Now, the examples of spreadsheet programs are Microsoft Excel, Lotus 123, OpenOffice.org, Calc, etc. The next one is database management system. We also call it DBMS in the short form. Database software helps us to arrange and store a large amount of information in an organized manner. That means if you want to put your large amount of information in the organized manner, you will use database management system software. For example, managing telephone directories, payrolls information, etc. The examples are Microsoft Access, OpenOffice.org Base, FoxPro, Oracle, etc. The next one is presentation software. It is used to present an idea or concept in a lively manner. It helps to create and display slides on a computer or a projector. Children, when you are sitting in the assembly hall in your school, some slides are being shown to you on a projector to make the topic much more clear than the text. All these are being created using some presentation software. The examples are Microsoft PowerPoint, OpenOffice.org Impress, Adobe Flash, etc. The next one is desktop publishing software. This application helps us to combine both text and graphic features to design professional documents. That means अगर हमको किसी professional document को design करना है in which we want to use both text and also graphics, some photos, some graphical images we also want to include it, we will use desktop publishing software like newsletters, printed forms, books, posters, magazines, etc. You all have gone through some newsletters which are being printed, which are being created by NLK group of schools, in which we show the activities we perform during the whole year. All these also are being created using desktop publishing software. The examples of these software are CorelDRAW, Adobe InDesign, Quark Express, etc. The next one is graphic software. It is used to create images such as charts, graphs, photographs, logos, cartoons, etc. The examples are Paint, Photoshop, AutoCAD, Dreamweaver, etc. We have used Paint in all these softwares. Now, the next one is multimedia software. It is used to create video, animation, sound, graphics and text with interaction. That means all these things are being created with some interaction using multimedia software. The examples are game software, Windows Media Player, Windows Movie Maker, etc. The second one is special purpose application software. These software which are designed to meet the specific needs of any user are called special purpose application software. That means जो किसी specific needs को fulfill करने के लिए ये software use होते हैं, these are called special purpose application software. The examples are Tally, Busy, etc. These softwares are also known as customized software. We also call them as customized software. The examples are reservation system, billing system, payroll system, etc. That's all for today. Have a nice time. Bye.